Now I'm going to show you how to do an astrolabe. And first, these are the materials needed to make our astrolabe. A sheet of cardboard like this, more or less. Then we need 3 sheets of paper. You can choose another color if you prefer, but I want to use the colors green and white for my astrolabe. Then a piece of thread like this, for example. It can be another type of thread of this measure, more or less. It can be shorter than this thread, but more or less of this measure. Then an object that will be used as a weight for our astrolabe, for example, a cork cap or a ball like this, or another object if you prefer. A pair of scissors, a glue stick and a sticky tape, a pencil, a permanent marker, and finally a protractor that will be used to mark the angles of our astrolabe. The steps that we will follow to make the astrolabe are these. First, we have to cut the cardboard in a triangular form like this. After that, we have to make the same form in the paper sheet. When we have the two triangular forms, we are going to glue it in the cardboard, like this. I'm going to make like this. Make the semicircle like this. Be careful because it must be more or less in the center of the cardboard. Like this. We can make it with the permanent marker. Like this. When we have the semicircle, we have to draw angles from 19 degrees to minus 19 degrees. And in the center, we have to mark the 0 degrees. After that, we roll the sheet wide enough to allow us to look through it. Like this. And we glue it to make a tube. we have to stick it with the tape, with the sticky tape. We have to stick in the cupboard. More or less like this. Then with the thread, if you remember, we have to roll it in the tube like this. Like this. We can cut it if it's too long. And we have to put the object that we choose as a weight for the astrolabe. Like this. Then we have our astrolabe made.